What does Sin Nakisan building an RWB means to you in person?
It's good and one of the attraction here in the Philippines, and I think yeah, it's good.
It just shows us unlimited custom quality when it comes to Porsches. He's one of the first people that I know actually builds wide body kits. Fun fact, people thought he was crazy just to do all that, but look. It looks like freaking race cars, bruh.
Makes me wanna own a Porsche one day, and if I wanna put some body kits, I will choose RWB and contact Akira to build one of my Porsche.
It's more about passion and meets art. It's about the thing about it's not the beauty of it. It's not because it's just imperfect. It's because you get in touch with the car. The way he touches it and the way he builds those kits and the way that it's personal for you. It's not just for everyone. But what makes it special for you is by how you view it.
It's inspiration for me because first I don't love cars, but now I fell in love in Porsche. Then the craft he made is very wonderful.
Wow, what's your favorite Porsche?
This 930. It's a big honor for me because I'm a big fan of RWB. Especially I already saw Wataru Kato already, and now I'm seeing Nakai build the RWB. Yeah, it's very cool and very historic moment. I've only seen him twice, including today. So I'm very excited to let him sign my items. Um, I feel very excited and very happy today.
I like the guy's style of build. It reminds me of the race cars from back in the day in the 90s. So it's a nice relive to that. And that's why I like it.
Motivates me to work hard, uh, to work hard to achieve the car that he builds. So it prompts me to work harder. It's quite fantastic. I mean, it's because the way that you sing in building cars and the way that you want to see how he looks around and see eyeballs the most of his build just to see if it's right alignment or correct build overall. And although I've seen some of his builds already, since I've seen it's my second visit, so yeah, for me it's alright.
It's so cool because like you get to see like his masterpieces that he builds like live and like not on TV or anything like that.
Wow, that's impressive. What's your favorite Porsche?
997 GT2 RS.
It's a wonderful experience since it's my first time seeing